Okay, this is going to be an unboxing and review for these Bose noise canceling headphones. These are really amazing. I've absolutely been loving them. I put them back in the box so you could see them. I think these would make a fabulous gift this holiday season, or if you gift for yourself. If you're needing a pair of noise canceling headphones, these work really, really well and they're so comfortable. So they come in this box here, which you're going to open up. And then this is the storage case. So it's actually a pretty manageable size for some headphones. It's really nice, soft, rounded case, pretty thin. You can easily fit it in your backpack. Open this up. This is what it looks like when you very first get them. It's got everything here. You just download the Bose music app to your phone. Okay, so once you get them out of the case, the first thing I noticed is just how incredibly soft these are right here, these earpods, and then also here up top. I'm pretty sensitive to things like this, and I find these to be really, really comfortable. They stay put really well. They're super soft, super cushy. These are actually much more comfortable to me than wearing earbuds. So I've really been enjoying using these, and the noise canceling feature is absolutely amazing. When I put it on a level 10, I can hear like no background noise. And what's really great about these headphones is it also cancels out background noise for whoever you're talking to. So if you need to take a meeting, but you're in a coffee shop, you can put these on and set the noise canceling feature all the way at the top at level 10. And you're going to be able to hear really well, and the person you're speaking to is going to be able to hear your voice, and it's going to cancel out so much of the background noise. It works extremely well. So this top button will turn the Bluetooth on, and then you can connect it to your phone. And then let's see if I can remember everything. Oh yeah, so on the left headset, this is where you can set 3 favorites on your phone, and then you can toggle between the different levels of noise cancellation. So when you first get it, it will just go 0, 5, 10, but you can set it to 3 different ones, whatever your 3 favorites are. And then there's also it also has a tap feature on the outside here. You tap it twice to start or to pause or play your music. So tap twice to play, tap it 2 times again to pause. And you can also pick up the phone that way. So if you get a phone call that comes in, tap twice to answer, tap 2 more times, and it will hang up the phone. And another feature that I really like is this button here that toggles between the noise cancellation settings. If you hold it down, it goes into conversation mode. So I find this to be super useful. Like I said, if you're, somewhere like in an office or in a coffee shop, wherever you are, and you're taking your meeting and you've got the noise canceling feature on, it is really hard to hear outside noise. So if you need to talk to somebody like in real face to face, you just hold this down and it goes into conversation mode, and all the noise cancellation goes away, and you can hear perfectly well and speak to someone even with these still. You don't have to take them off your head. And then when you're done, you hold it down again, and it will go right back to the noise cancellation setting that it was on previously. So that is super duper useful. And then I'm just going to show you this again. This is what it looks like when you get it, just the rest here. And this also makes it easy to carry your cords around with you. This little flap comes down, and you've got your power cord in there. I wrapped it all back up just so you can see what it looks like when you get it. And that just simply goes into the bottom here, and you can charge it, and it has up to 20 hours of charge time of use time if it's fully charged. So really easy to charge these at night, and then it's gonna last you the entire day. So I highly, highly recommend these. Super nice design, super comfortable, and I really love the noise cancellation features. Makes life really easy to take a meeting wherever you are. So can't recommend these enough. Definitely, if you are looking for a pair, check these out.